How to make money on Pinterest. Ever looked at Pinterest and thought, can I make those pins work for my wallet? Well, the answer is a resounding, absolutely. So, if you're ready to transform your Pinterest passion into some cash, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of Pinterest profits. Here are 11 ways to make them. Method 1: Affiliate Marketing Magic. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's where you promote products, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Sweet deal, right? Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Then, create alluring pins that showcase these products. Remember to disclose that you're using affiliate links, though. It's all about being transparent. Method 2: Get busy with sponsored pins. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to partner with on Pinterest. If you have a substantial following, brands might pay you to pin their products. This is a win-win, they get visibility, and you get compensated for your influence. Method 3: Offer your pin credible Pinterest management services. Are you a Pinterest pro? Why not offer your skills to businesses or bloggers? Many of them are looking for Pinterest managers to handle their accounts, design pins, and drive traffic. Set up a profile on freelancing sites or pitch directly, and watch the projects roll in. Method 4: Sell your own products. Got crafts, ebooks, or other products? Use Pinterest to showcase them. Design pins that highlight your items and lead back to your online store or website. With the right strategy, Pinterest can become a major traffic driver for your products. Method 5: Offer pin design services. Crafting the perfect pin is an art. If you've got a flair for design, offer custom pin design services. Businesses and bloggers always need attractive pins that stand out. With your design skills, you can make their pins pop and get paid for it. Method 6: Use Pinterest to boost your blog revenue. If you run a blog, Pinterest can be your biggest traffic source. More traffic often means more ad revenue, affiliate sales, and product purchases. So, optimize your blog posts with pinnable images and share them regularly on Pinterest. Watch your blog's earnings grow with the increase in Pinterest-driven traffic. Method 7: Get into the e-commerce game. Set up an online store and use Pinterest as a primary marketing channel. With the buyable pins feature, users can even purchase without leaving Pinterest. Ensure your pins are top-notch, showcasing your products in the best light. Method 8: Collaborate and co-create. Team up with others in your niche for joint Pinterest projects. Think webinars, ebooks, or courses. By co-creating, you can pool your audiences, share the workload, and split the profits. Method 9: Dive deep with Pinterest consultations. If you've mastered Pinterest, share your expertise one-on-one. Offer consultation services to those looking to harness Pinterest for their businesses. Share strategies, insights, and actionable plans. Your expertise is valuable, so don't be shy to put a price tag on it. Method 10: Stay updated and adapt. The digital world, Pinterest included, is ever evolving. Keep an eye on Pinterest trends, algorithm changes, and new features. By staying updated, you can adjust your strategies to remain profitable. Method 11: Network. Engage with other Pinterest users, join group boards, and attend Pinterest workshops or webinars. Networking can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and new money-making opportunities. Always prioritize authenticity. Making money is fantastic, but authenticity is key. Your audience values genuine recommendations and content. Ensure you promote products you believe in and remain transparent with your followers. Trust leads to long-term profitability. So there you have it, the exciting path to making your Pinterest boards a source of income. Remember, every Pinterest profit journey is unique. What works for one might not work for another. But with dedication, creativity, and a sprinkle of strategy, you're well on your way to pinning those profits. If you'd like more in-depth training on Pinterest, check out our step-by-step video course, Pinterest Traffic Mastery. I'll put a link to it in the video description. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button.